Hey everybody, this is Sean with ProSymmetry, and in this video, we're going to talk about restore from Snapshot. Why is this important? Well, obviously you're managing a project over time, and at some point you might make a mistake in that project, and you need to revert back. Now, Tempus has always supported 35-day point-in-time recovery, but there might be a need to maybe just restore your milestones or just restore your allocations. And for that reason, there's no reason to revert an entire instance. In this particular case, we can drill into any project. And if you're unfamiliar, Tempus supports snapshotting. And you can have centrally managed snapshots, or users can create their own. The point being, you can take snapshots of your entire project at any point in time. And with Tempus, we take snapshots of the schedule, the allocation, the demand, the milestones, anything and everything in that project gets snapshotted. And these can also be taken by the API. So you could programmatically take these snapshots if you wish. Now, in this case, you'll see that I have two snapshots, one taken at finance lock and one taken at initial review. These might line up with a stage gate, a phase gate, various review processes, maybe part of like a steering committee review, anything and everything, however you'd like to take them. It's totally up to you. But in this case, I can pick which snapshot I wish to restore from. And you've got a handful of options here when you do restore. So you can choose to restore everything in that project. You can say, just give me everything. So basically override and overwrite my project to this point in time from this particular snapshot. The other option you have, which gets much more interesting, is, well, maybe I just need to restore the financials. So maybe I made a mistake on data entry and I cleared out the budget or the forecast or the actuals and I did it incorrectly. Or maybe I did an Excel import and updated the planned allocation and I didn't mean to do that. And instead of reverting back or maybe working through the audit log to see what had changed, instead I could just go back here and say, you know what? I'm just going to revert back to a really good point in time, which I know is from this initial snapshot, and I just click restore. And that'll essentially overwrite that particular aspect of the project. It doesn't have to be the whole project. It can, in this case, just be the allocations or just the financials. And you can do this over time. So it gives you a lot of comfort and additional capability here to revert back to different points in time, either for the entire project or just sub-elements. So that's why restore from snapshot is important. Thanks again for watching. To learn more or get access to a free trial, join us at prosymmetry.com.